Free green tea, go plump challenge. Plump, going, hydration, boost. Plump, going, hydration, boost.
I can't close the door. Guys, I'm so sorry. You good?
I remember when we broke up, the first time saying this is it, I had enough. Cause like we hadn't seen each other in a month. When you said you needed space. What? Then you come around again and say, baby, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, remember how that lasted for a day? I say I hate you, we break up, you call me, I love you. We called it
Alakikaji. 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 Alakikaji.
Even in a hurricane of frowns, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
Yo, when they see me, they salute to have a juku. Some pink pumps, pink thumbs, and a tutu. Some pink lips, pink blush on my YouTube. Now everybody chocolate on my choo-choo.
Liberando coisas de peito da.
I hopped into a coffee shop, and then my jaw dropped in shock when I saw a girl who had cool pants. They made me want to dance. I started to advance to tell her until I heard a little voice say, stop. You're gonna make it weird for everyone in here, and you're gonna break her flow.
You know those paper animal things? Well, FCKIT, let's bring them back.
Part 4.
Reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace. I touch your soul.
Layers challenge. 1 layer, 10 layers, 20 layers, 30 layers, 40 layers, 50 layers, 60 layers, 70 layers, 80 layers, 90 layers, 100 layers. Please send help.
Love isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, keep fast and moving so slow. I'm over and set up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and I'm in on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. The love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy. Love isn't the best place to find a lover, so
got a toddler like me that doesn't let you get anything done at home because they always want to be by your side, and I found something that can keep them well entertained and distracted so you can get stuff done. Come across this doodling picture roll on TikTok Shop and you get 3 meters of this colouring in paper. Comes in several different themes as well, from animals to sea life, and the quality of this paper is actually really good as well. You can either roll it out like I have, or you can cut some sections off so they can colour in just a little bit at a time. They can use pens, colouring in pencils, or they
That's people. Welcome hotel.
Shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Vem comigo que eu já vou te ensinar como fazer um livro squish do Paper Duck, todo interativo para você se divertir. É só imprimir os moldes e encapar assim com durex, vai dobrando todas as marcações e aqui eu já tenho a capa. Próxima parte eu imprimi ali, encapei tudo, o Paper Duck, a caminha dele e vou colar ali nas páginas. Ah, antes não pode esquecer de colocar enchimento em cada página para ficar fofinho assim. Aí fui criando também ali o banheiro, colei só a lateral da banheira para o Paper Duck tomar o seu banho, igual eu fiz na cama. Fui colando ali tudo em volta, coloco o enchimento para ter mais uma página fofa e prendo ali na primeira marcação. E vou seguindo todo o passo a passo, criando todo esse livro interativo. Tem a cama para ele dormir, depois ele toma banho, se seca ali com a toalha que tá pendurada no banheiro, muito legal. E tem também o closet com as roupinhas para trocar e deixar o Paper Duck super fofinho. Gostou da ideia? Então não esquece de curtir, compartilhar, comenta aí o que vocês acharam, que eu quero saber se vocês querem mais ideias como essa.
Bye.